Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to cover one very important informatic module from our own Odoo Community Association, that is Purchase Container. Normally, whenever any business who are importing the containers via their big multiple purchase orders from their vendor towards a country, then this module will help to keep the container data along with bill of lading, shipping agent company, type of container, if we need to mention the package, number of package, and then total weight of container or volumetric weight, and then cost. And then we can connect all the purchase order with its receipt towards this particular container master, and then keep all the information handy with us. So let's jump into the practical aspect of how this particular module will be useful. So once I install that, inside my purchase, I get container type master. Here we can create the container type and give a name, which will help you to segregate what type of container it was during our container creation. And inside the orders, we will get containers where I can create actual container which are going to be used in different purchase order with different vendors. So this is the created container where I can connect my purchases and transfers, means incoming shipment over here, and I can give entire master like this, and then give a cost, and this can help me to manage entire data. You can also get the upload of document alongside our standard Odoo behavior, and then I can communicate internally with our team about this container. So let's jump and create one container over here and give a name like container import from, let's say, China, and then it will type over here, and this container will be 40 high HC I'm giving, and then total weight would be 2000 kg over here. Now whenever our vendor who are going to give us the bill of lading number, we can create, or we can give that bill of lading number over here, and this is the shipping agency who is going to give this particular container as a responsibility of them, and I can give a price also. So after creating this container primary information, now I can go and connect my existing purchase order over here. So over here you can see different wood corner orders are there which I need to connect over here. So I'm going into my container, or let me create some new orders from a new vendor like China vendor 1, and then country is, let's say, China, and this is my vendor I am creating, and then I am creating various orders from this particular vendor. I'm adding multiple items right now. So this is how I am creating an order from my China vendor, and then I confirm. The receipt will be generated, and then in other information you can see the container information which will be coming once I connect this particular order with container. And the same Chinese vendor, I am going to have some other items also. Okay, so I'm going into, let's say, catalog again and picking some more items from this China vendor. So this is how I have added the items and confirmed the order. So I have two different purchase order for this China vendor, and then once I go into my container master, I can either connect my receipts or purchase order. So over here I will simply go and connect both the China vendor order over here and save this. So once I save and go back, so I can see this are available over here, and then In a reference, I can directly connect my incoming receipt over here, which are in ready state, and then I can measure my entire container shipment with bill of lading number and the information over here. And then here you can see the receipt status and the purchase order status are given already from our master. So this is how you can use this particular module to manage your container information along with bill of lading, shipping agent, the type of container. If you want to manage maybe package quantity, everything will be managed over here alongside cost. Now with the help of Studio, what I have done is I have build or drag this bill of lading over here and also created pivot view as well as created this Kanban view for our analysis purpose. Now over here you can see all these parameters are seamlessly available, and then I can measure the container reference, and then I would like to measure who are my related purchases along with each and every things over here. Now you can see, you can drag and drop, and then you can measure entire container master over here very easily. If you switch to Kanban view and if you want to have everything available over here, or you need to connect all entire document from your vendor over here, which you can do very easily, and then this container information will be alongside with your purchase orders. So inside your purchase orders, now if you go, you can directly see over here the container, and you can see entire container information by just one click. So this module will be helpful when you want to manage the information about your import, your container, your agent, and entire cost of that. So this is information purpose only. Hope this small module containing a lot of information will help to manage our import purchase easy with the container master information over here. Thanks to our OCA community members and the developers who has developed this nice module for us. If you have any question, if you want to extend this module further to your requirement, please feel free to connect us at TechVaria. You can message me on my YouTube channel or LinkedIn, or connect me via YouTube channel description or message and comments. Thank you guys. Have a good day.